Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the coolest Amazon camping gadgets. From must-have tools to game-changing gear, these gadgets are here to upgrade your outdoor adventures. As always, you'll find all the product links in the description below, and let's jump right into it. The Alpha Being Inflatable Lounger is your ultimate ticket to effortless relaxation anywhere. Simply unroll it, catch the breeze, and enjoy an instant air sofa. No pumps or hassle required. Whether you're lounging on a sunny beach, relaxing at a cozy campsite, or unwinding in your own backyard, its sturdy, lightweight build and included compression sack make it perfect for easy travel. Gone are the days of settling for instant coffee on your adventures. With this Mini Presso GR, you can easily create cafe-quality espresso wherever you go. Just add your favorite ground coffee, pump a few times, and enjoy a rich, velvety brew. Compact and travel-friendly, it's the perfect companion for coffee lovers seeking quality on the go. Camping trips are all about enjoying nature and relaxation, but an uncomfortable chair can spoil the vibe. That's where the fair wind oversized camping chair comes in. Featuring full padding, lumbar support, and a built-in cooler bag for drinks, this chair offers ultimate comfort outdoors. With the ability to support up to 450 pounds, it's designed for luxury and durability, making it the perfect addition to your camping gear for a truly relaxing outdoor experience. As the campfire dimmed, the foldable camping light became the hero of the night. Its 750 lumens lit up the tent, and when my phone died, the 10,000 milliamp hour power bank saved the day. With an IP54 waterproof rating, it's rainproof, compact, versatile, and featuring 5 modes, it's the perfect adventure companion to keep you lit and connected. Cooking in the backyard transforms into a rustic adventure with the rocket stove. Just toss in some wood, and its efficient design has your meal sizzling in no time. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for BBQs, camping trips, and outdoor feasts. Bonus, it conveniently packs into its own storage bag, ready to go for the next outdoor cooking experience. Whether grilling or cooking over an open flame, this compact stove is a must-have for your next adventure. Imagine a sleek, compact table that's always ready for your outdoor adventures. The Valet portable camping side table does just that. Whether you're camping, fishing, on a boat, or at a picnic, it's the perfect companion. Lightweight, foldable, and incredibly practical, it keeps your essentials within easy reach without taking up too much space. Whether you're enjoying a relaxing day outdoors or having a picnic with friends, this table brings convenience and style to any activity. When you're out in the wild, having the right gear can truly make all the difference. This camp kitchen cooking utensil set includes everything you need in one convenient, portable, and water-resistant case. Whether you're grilling, prepping, or cooking up a storm, it's compact, organized, and perfect for camping, backpacking, or your next BBQ adventure. Enjoy effortless cooking wherever you go with this all-in-one set. Out in the wilderness, the Baleen Camping Cookware Mess Kit is a game changer. Whether you're boiling water in the kettle or frying up a tasty meal, this compact and lightweight set has everything you need. Perfect for families, it's the ultimate gear for making outdoor cooking effortless and fun on your next adventure. The Boster LED Beanie Hat takes outdoor adventures to the next level. With a built-in rechargeable headlamp, this cozy hat lights up your path, leaving hands free for the journey ahead. Whether you're hiking, running, or camping, this tech-savvy beanie makes sure you're ready for any nighttime challenge. The Multi-Tool Wrench 19-in-1 is a game changer for any adventurer. Whether it's fixing gear, opening bottles, or tackling unexpected DIY projects, this pocket-sized powerhouse has you covered. Lightweight yet durable, it's the perfect companion for camping trips or everyday maintenance. An ideal gift for any handy person. Ever struggled to find something in your cooler at night? This cooler light with auto shutoff is the solution. It's perfect for those late night camping trips when you need a little extra visibility. Simply mount it inside the cooler lid and enjoy hands-free convenience, making it the perfect gift for any outdoor enthusiast. Picture this, you and a partner tucked into the Mareza double sleeping bag after a day of hiking, staying warm through chilly nights with the extra large cozy design. Whether it's cold or warm weather, this all-season sleeping bag keeps you comfortable. Plus, it even comes with a pillow, perfect for those adventures. The 4 Patriot Sun Kettle is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. It uses solar power to boil water, making it perfect for camping, backpacking, or survival situations. Lightweight and compact, this thermos requires no gas or electricity, just the sun's natural energy to heat up your water anytime, anywhere. The Titanium Camping Coffee Maker by Exploration Gadget is a must-have for any adventurer. This all-in-one tool does it all. Brew coffee, make tea, or even heat water. Its titanium construction makes it lightweight yet durable, perfect for camping, backpacking, or any outdoor journey where space and weight matter. The Luminade Solar Camping Lantern is a game changer when the sun sets and you're left in the dark. This compact inflatable light is powered by the sun, making it eco-friendly and super reliable for outdoor adventures. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or even emergency situations at home. When the chill sets in, the Rigworld upgraded gloves step up to the challenge. These winter gloves keep hands warm with waterproof insulation, while the touchscreen compatibility lets you stay connected even in the cold. Perfect for driving, skiing, or brisk walks during early spring or late fall. On a cozy evening, the Roundfire tabletop fire pit sets the mood, its sleek graphite finish catching the light beautifully. Not only does it provide over an hour of warmth, but it also comes with a s'mores kit for a fun, memorable treat. The stainless steel burn cup ensures safety, so you can relax and enjoy the fire. The Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2 makes grilling feel like an art. This 18-inch ceramic charcoal grill in bold red comes with side shelves for easy prep and stainless steel grates for even cooking. Whether it's sizzling steaks or slow-smoked ribs, the flavor is rich and unforgettable every time. The Big Blue 28-watt solar charger offers ultimate convenience for outdoor adventures. With 3 USB ports, it keeps devices powered up with ease. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or other gadgets, waterproof and durable, it handles the toughest conditions, ensuring reliable charging wherever you go. On a hiking trip, you're more than just thirsty, you're craving a true experience. The vacuum-insulated premium water bottle does that by keeping drinks at the perfect temperature, while the rechargeable Bluetooth speaker adds the soundtrack to your adventure. Plus, with the handy lid lock and carry handle, it's always ready to go. Winter adventures just got a whole lot warmer with the AI hand warmers. Compact and powerful, these 6,000 milliamp hour rechargeable hand warmers offer up to 20 hours of heat, perfect for chilly camping trips, hunting, or just everyday winter use. Keep your hands cozy and your spirits high no matter the cold. On a sunny hike or during a rainy gardening session, the Luant Head Umbrella Hat comes to the rescue. Its 36-inch canopy shields you from the elements while keeping your hands free. Whether fishing, at the beach, or just going for a walk, this folding compact hat has got you covered, literally. After setting up camp, the G4 Free Hammock becomes your personal retreat. Its spacious design fits too comfortably, while the mosquito net keeps you safe from pests. Whether you're hiking deep into nature or lounging in the backyard, it's the perfect blend of comfort and practicality for any adventure. Grilling has never been easier with these nesting grill baskets. The removable wooden handles make flipping your veggies or shrimp a breeze, while the 304 stainless steel ensures durability. Perfect for outdoor cooking, it's a must-have for BBQ lovers and a great gift for dad or any grilling enthusiast. When camping or grilling outdoors, the Game Maker Open Fire Cooking Combo Grill and Skillet takes the experience to the next level. With its spacious 18.5 inches by 16.375 inches grill, it's perfect for cooking up your favorite meals over an open fire. A must-have for any avid camper or outdoor chef looking to elevate their cooking game. Out in the wild, water sources can be unpredictable, but the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter offers peace of mind. With its lightweight design, it transforms any stream or lake into safe drinking water, making it an essential tool for hiking, camping, or emergency kits. Your hydration solution is now portable. Out on a family camping trip or skiing with friends, staying connected is key. These walkie-talkies are a game changer. With long-range capabilities and no AA weather alerts, they're built for all adventures. Whether it's hiking or team communication, this 4-pack ensures you're always in touch. When the power goes out or you're deep in the wilderness, the Autoland Portable LED Lantern with ceiling fan is a lifesaver. Not only does it light up the night, but the built-in fan keeps you cool. Ideal for camping, emergencies, or hurricane prep, it's the perfect combo of function and convenience. On your next camping trip, the Gintain 9-in-1 collapsible cutting board is the ultimate game changer. With its built-in colander and versatile design, it simplifies meal prep, saving space and time. Whether you're chopping veggies or draining pasta, this cutting board is the ideal companion for any adventure. After a long day of hiking or camping, nothing beats a refreshing outdoor shower. The Advanced Element Solar Shower makes it possible, harnessing the sun's heat to give you a warm rinse. With its sturdy design, reflective mirror, and easy fill valve, it's perfect for any outdoor adventure. And that's a wrap on our coolest Amazon camping gadgets. I hope you found some new gear to level up your next outdoor adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more awesome camping and outdoor content. Leave a comment below with your favorite gadget and be sure to check out the links in the description for all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching and happy camping!